dude, look at this view here. Here's the cabin up here. Yeah, this thing is definitely empty. Let's see if we can get inside. What's up guys, it's me again, the Moto Dweeb. Today I'm going to be heading out and riding along the Illinois River. Been out here a few times with the car, but never really been able to get very far once the pavement ends. Always wanted to see what's out here, so today we're going to try it. There's like some kind of abandoned cabin along the road, still on the pavement. Never checked it out, I've always wanted to, so maybe we'll stop and look at that, see if maybe we can get inside. There's also this big footbridge that like goes across the river, just out there in the middle of nowhere once the pavement ends. There's also a fire lookout up on top of a mountain. Never been able to get to that, the road just gets too rough. Not sure we'll be able to get to that, there might be a gate in front of it, but it's worth a try. Anyway, let's get out there. Here's the cabin up here. I think it's empty. Not sure what it used to be, if somebody like used to live here or if they like rented it out, but it looks unoccupied now. Yeah, this thing is definitely empty. Let's see if we can get inside. What was that? Hello? Anybody there? Well, turns out the place was occupied after all. Thank God the guy didn't follow me out of there. Let's get out of here before he decides to come after me. Dude, look at this view here. So it looks like we're coming up on the footbridge now. Probably gonna stop and take a look at that, maybe fly the drone around some. Been out here once before. Back then I had a Mustang and I tried to get down this really steep road. Got stuck trying to get out. Luckily there were other people there at the time. Some of them were leaving and they helped me push the car out of the dirt so I could get out of there. Well, road to the lookout tower is closed, it looks like, so this is where we're gonna have to stop. Might be a good place for a picture, though. Oh, guess this is as good a place as any to launch the drone. Well, I think I've got a little while before it gets dark, so might try the other fork back there, go down the river a ways. This is the farthest I've ever been, so unexplored territory for me from here on out. Oh, this is cool. Look at this, you can just like ride right down it too. This was definitely worth coming out here for. Well guys, it's gonna start getting dark and cold soon, so I guess I better get out of here, start heading back towards home. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you like what you saw, leave a like down below, leave a comment, tell me what you think, subscribe if you're new here, check out my Instagram at TheMotoDweeb, and I'll see you all next time.